Hello everyone, as I said again in this video I am going to discuss some more problem on differentiation of higher order. So if the sum is given y equals to e to the power a cos inverse x, and you have to prove that 1 minus x square y2 is the second order differentiation I have already mentioned in the last video, minus x y1 minus a square y is equals to 0. Just check the procedure what I am doing. So that procedure directly will reach the sum. First, if I differentiate it with respect to x, so ddx of y, y1, e to the power x, chain rule, e to the power x, that will be e to the power x into ddx of this x, a constant, ddx of cos inverse x will be minus of this thing, right? So now, what is this thing? E to the power a cos inverse x. This is by y. So can we write by y1 as minus ay divided by root over of 1 minus x square? I said I will not keep my denominator and I will not keep the square root. So if I will cross multiply and do the whole square, this into this equals to a square y square. This is differentiating with respect to x. Whenever you will do, please you have to write it. Next line, if I write differentiate with respect to x, can we write 1 minus x square into ddx of y1 square? What will be ddx of y1 square? That will be 2y1 y2, right? Plus y1 square into what will be ddx of 1 minus x square? ddx of 1 is 0. And ddx of minus x square will be minus 2x. That will be a square common, ddx of y square. ddx of y square will be 2y into y1. ddx of y square. It will be dy of y square into dy dx, right? So it will be 2y into dy dx. Correct? Now if I divide this line by 2y1, just check 2y1 is there in each term. 2 is there and 1 y1 is there, 2 y1 is there in all the terms. So it will be 1 minus x square into y2, 2 y1, so it will be minus x y1 equals to a square y. If you take a square y in the left hand side, are you getting the proof? Okay. So another sum if I will do, y equals to log of x plus root over of x square plus a square. So already I got one request to introduce logarithm and discuss the formula of logarithm. In my next video I am going to discuss logarithm. Just stay tuned. So y equals to log of x plus root over of x square plus a square. So my dy dx will be, just check. Already I had done this sum in one video, so I am just writing the answer here. For further assistance of this sum, please check my previous video. Already I had done this sum. So I am just writing the answer here directly. This is the answer of dy dx, right? So again y1 into root over of x square plus a square is equals to 1. So squaring it, I will get this thing equals to 1, it will remain as 1. So again if I will differentiate with respect to x, y1 square into ddx of this thing will be 2x plus x square plus a square into 2y1 y2 equals to 0, right? So if I will divide by 2y1 again, so x square plus a square into y2 plus x y1 equals to 0. You have to prove this for this sum. So one simple theory of logarithm I am just going to discuss right now, that is, if it is a to the power log x to the base a to the power log a to the base a, this will be equals to x. So using this formula I am going to solve one sum. So suppose the sum is, what will be ddx of 9 to the power log x to the base 3. Sorry, I just wrote it wrong. I said 9 to the power log x to the base 3. I know if this thing and this thing are equal, then it will be only x. So can we write the 9 as 3 square? So it will be 3 square 2 log x to the base 3, right? There is another formula of log that we know, ddx, not ddx. If it is log x to the power n, that will be n log x. Here I am just applying the opposite one. So this 2 will go in the power of x, right? So it will become ddx of 3 to the power log x square to the base 3. Now check. Can you relate the formula? A to the power log x to the base a, 3 to the power log x square to the base 3, right? So if it is this one, so can we write it as ddx of x square only, which will be equals to 2x, right? So these are the simple sum. Whenever you get time, just let me know. So this is the last sum I am doing for higher order right now, but as you know, anytime if you have problem, please write in the comment box so that I can solve for you. So y equals to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. And you have to prove that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equals to 0. That we have to prove. First, differentiating with respect to x. What is y1? It will be 3. What will be cos log x? Minus sin log x. Sin log x divided by x, right? That's the chain rule. Sin log x divided by x plus 4. What is ddx of sin log x? It's cos log x divided by x. I don't like denominator as I said, so I'll multiply x in the left hand side. So x y1 is equals to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x, right? Again, if I will differentiate with respect to x, just 1 minute. So if I differentiate with respect to x, just check. Left hand side will be x y2 plus y1 into ddx of x, which is 1. Do you agree, all of you? We have to apply chain rule in the left hand side, ddx of x y1, not chain rule, uv formula. Please be very careful. So this will be equals to minus 3 cos log x divided by x, and if I differentiate, it will be minus 4 sin log x divided by x, right? Again, if I will multiply x this side, x square y2 plus x y1 equals to minus common 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. What is 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x? That is your y, right? That is your y, correct? So if I'll apply that value over here, so the proof is coming that x square y2 plus x y1 equals to minus 1. Hence x square y2. Just try to solve the sum by this method, and if there is any problem, please do write it in the comment box so that I can solve for you. Thank you, all of you.